Are we back? 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 Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? Yeah, it's GG's, bro. Nice. It should be back. Nice. It's not keeping the same VODs, bro. It's not keeping the same VODs. Damn, bro. That's cooked. Yo, are we good? Are we back? Are we back? I'm trying to make sure we're good. Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? We good? We good?
We good.
Okay. All right, bet. We're good. We're good. We're good. All right, let's get back to this then. Whew. Back? Okay, cool. Alright, I will not be ending this. I mean, hopefully we don't DC. We're on Wi. Are we on?
We good.
Are we on Wi-Fi or are we not? Okay, we gotta get off the Wi-Fi. You got a power supply? Yep, I got a power. I got everything. Now we officially have everything. We didn't have everything before for some reason, but now we deadass have everything. Like now we actually have everything. I almost want to smoke before we do this shit, bro. The way I'm like so fucking... I'm like anti-up right now. Alright, anyway. Let's get this shit tonight, facts. Smoke after? Yeah, type shit. I feel like if I smoke... What's up, Macho? I feel like if I smoke, I'm gonna fuck it up somehow. Okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. Now we officially begin. We have the CPU. We have the CPU right here. What's up, Kings? CPU. Bang. Now we need to... Let's put the SSD next, because that seems like to be the easiest one. M2. So this goes here, no? Oh! So this goes here, right? Let me see something. Oh, let's play some music, actually.
Have you done this before?
Yes, I have. I've done this before, maybe 5-6 years ago. It's been a while. It was like 2018, 2019. I've done this twice, actually. So.
Have you done this before?
Nice delay TTS. Holy. Hold up. Let me fix that real quick. It shouldn't be on. You also put it in the spot above. Which spot? Oh. Oh, that's too loud. All right. So this goes here, yes. The one that the Asus logo is above it? Wait, what? Oh, there's 2 slots you could put it in, right? I'll just put it in here, though. I know, like, hangs to the side, right? Like... Bro, what am I doing? Okay, it goes like this, yes. Don't I like click, don't I have to like clip this in somehow? I'm pretty sure I have to clip that in somehow, no? I'm already gone. Hey. She might just dog you. Chat, do I not clip this somewhere? Like here? Or do I just leave it like that? Do I leave it like that? Or do I clip it in? And if I'm supposed to clip it in, how the fuck am I meant to clip it in? Because I don't have anything to clip it in with. Chat, hello? Yup, that's good. It's already in. Usually there's a screw or a clip. That's what I'm saying. Like, there should be some type of screw, clip, something, bro. Because this can't just hang like that. That makes no fucking sense at all. Push it all the way down. It's pushed all the way down. So, look, I'll take it out. Oh, actually, it's pretty sturdy in there. I think we're good. It's pretty sturdy in there. We should be good then, right? We should be good.
Cure everything.
Yeah, I fucking guess. I fucking guess. Okay, but yeah, so this is like, it's not coming out unless I like really put some pressure on it, so I think we should be good. You probably need a screw that goes on top of it to... Oh, like that. Yes, bang, like that. So where's that screw? I'm about to fuck this all the way up, bro. I'm already knowing, bro. Yo, chat, GG's, bro. Just know by the end of this, we're gonna plug this bitch in and it's just not gonna turn on, bro. GG's, bro. Please, chat.
PC nerds, where you at?
Where's Harmon, bro? Yo, who? Yo, chat, yo, I need help. Where we at? No, I'm just joking. Okay, so I need to screw this down some way though. That's definitely for sure 100 billion %. Let me look at the, did I just throw away the, I think I just threw away the manual that I was actually wanting to look at. Oh, is this from it? Dang, right here. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. I think. Let me just make sure. Oh. Lock in chat, that's what I'm saying. Now we are, okay, so Samsung solid state drive, screw the SSD in. You didn't get any screws from your motherboard? I did. Where are they? What are you doing, bro? Usually come with some. What did I do with the shit my motherboard came with, bro? Did I throw it away? This is all it came with, bro. This is all it came with. It came with these connectors. These are like power cables, etc. It came with this. I'm pretty sure this came with my SSD. And this has like a little... You're too dumb to build a... I'm not, bro. Retard, I'm not. I'm not retard, I'm not. This is my first time doing an SSD, bro. All my other ones, it's just straight hard drive, so. Okay, bet. For desktop computer. What? Okay, there we go. Okay, bang, here we are. Okay, bada boom. So this got to be this right here. In case my help came with screws out could work. What is it called? What is it called? An M2 screw? I'm gonna just search it up. M2 screw, right? M2 screw? I'm pretty sure it's this, bro. Let me just try it out. Fuck it. Oh, salutes in the chat, bro. If this shit goes, if this shit goes wrong. I need a fucking, bro. I need a screwdriver, bro. I need a screwdriver. Oh yeah, that's the one you got. I think that's the one in the bag, bro. Does this shit not come with like a mini screwdriver or some shit? Let me okay, let's restart, bro. Yo, hey, W chat. Welcome to the PC setup build, guys. We're going to be building this amazing computer. We got an i9 right here. You know what I mean? We have we got an i9. We got a 57 Ti video card. And we're gonna go crazy. We're gonna be spending probably all night doing this, but we're not gonna be done until we're done. So thank you guys for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so officially this came with this. I see no screws, I see no screwdriver. You don't got a screwdriver, it might just be a press-in, or you can hand tighten it. I'm thinking it's a hand tighten, bro. I'm thinking it's a hand tighten, but I don't want to think. I want to know, right? I want to know. And these are way too small to hand tighten. Now the case should come with a screwdriver, right? Because somehow, some way, this didn't come with like a mini screwdriver. I thought it did, but it didn't.
At this point, gang, haha.
57 Ti, yes. Might just be, yes, 57 Ti. Screws for SSD. Yep. Okay, so we know what it is. I know what it looks like now. I know what it looks like. So this is it. This is it. This is it. So this goes on top, and then this goes on top, and this goes in here. But I need a screwdriver because this is way too small for me to even attempt to do myself. And I don't think it came with a screwdriver somehow, some way. So we're just cucked, bro. We've been cucked by the fucking game, bro, or by the SSD. There's another one right here. So this is the same thing as well. That's the same thing as well. Might have to go shopping again. Yes, case. The case comes with one for sure. The case comes with one. So you know what? Let's just open up the case. Let's grab the case over here. Let's open this bitch
Here's
up.
small knife.
Yeah, we're gonna be here for a while, chat. Y'all buckle in, bro. I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna be here for a fucking minute. I'm gonna keep it a bean. This might be a very long stream, bro. This is gonna be longer than I thought.
Just read the instructions or a YouTube vid of the part model.
You're right. But how does it not come with a screwdriver, though, bro? Cooler has a screwdriver. Case might true. Yeah, thank God Harmon's back. The cooler might have one too, you said? Let's see. I'm just gonna open up this little... Why is this down here?
PC Nerd Vengers assemble.
Dude, seriously, I need all the PC people like in here. Okay, let's open this up real quick. Let's do this. Harmonize, I'm currently getting I'm trying to salvage a screwdriver from this because apparently I don't have like a mini screwdriver for the SSD. Okay, so if there's a screwdriver, it should be in here. Come on, give us a screwdriver. All right, let's try the case. Let me even see if I have any. Excuse my messy ass house chat. I should have like... What is this? Okay, bang. So we have this screwdriver, but that's way too big still. I should have one of those like mini ones as well. Bang, bro. Bang, bros. All right, this should be good. We should be good. Upload all user step by step, easy peasy. That's actually smart as fuck. I'm not gonna lie, but I want to do this with y'all though. I don't want to do ChatGPT. I just want to use chat. So Harmon, I've got this SSD right here. I know I have to push this down, and this is the is like the screw for it, correct? Like, does that look right? At the same time, Oh, y'all can't even see this shit. Is you good, Slime? Okay, let's see. Bro. I don't know what you did last time, man. Oh. Gentle, yeah, I know. I'm trying to be gentle, bro. Push it down and screw it in. That's what I'm trying to do, bro. But this thing won't, like, correctly go in there like that. Oh, bad. There we fucking go. Oh, my God. How sexy is that? Oh, my. That shit just made me hard. Is it meant to be, like... This is right. It was like... Yo, why isn't this magnetic? It's retarded. Okay, so it looks like the SSD is about to be installed. Bro. Bro. There we go. Oh my, how sexy is that, bro? The fact that it just works. Oh, wow. All right. Okay, so SSD done, CPU done. Wait, does that look right? Does this look good? Does this look good? Does this look good? Does this look good? Does that look right? That looks good, right? That looks good, right? I'm pretty sure that's correct. Bad days. I fell on. I'm gonna just let me just make sure. Let me watch a little tutorial real quick just to make sure I did that right. 990 Pro installation. See, 990 Pro SSD installation. I'm gonna look it up real quick just to make sure. Look at the book. Okay. Boom. Okay, so his installation was just way different than mine. But that's because his computer is like different. Z790 motherboard SSD. By the way, chat, I'll beat each and every one of you guys in a type racer, bro. I will beat each and every one of you guys in a type racer. Looks like it's crooked or not lashed in the bottom left corner.
Remove any screws that hold the cover down. Remove 2 screws and then lift this up. You need to ensure you install this. Grab your...
Wait, why is this nigga installed in a completely different location?
The tab here goes all the way around and it lines up vertically right.
Why does nigga install in a completely different location? Oh, he put it here. Wait, did I put it in the wrong one? It's fine. W is aiming for the gift to the top. Yeah, W. I gotta give more. I meant to get 5, but it wasn't working, so I just gave 1. I might have fucked up, chat. I might have fucked up. Hold on, bro. Does it matter if it's in the second slot or the first slot for the SSD or no? Because I think I put it in M2 SSD instead of M1 SSD. But does that really matter? Do you have SSD cover on yours? I don't, bro. I don't, bro. I don't. I'm trying to look for where exactly he put his in. I think we're good. Just put the screw in to hold it down. Yeah, the screw's in. It's holding it down. Doesn't matter if you install more. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, we're just going to move on from that. I think we're good. Okay, so next. So we have the SSD. We got the processor. What should we do next? We could do RAM. We could do the video card. We could do... What should we do next? What should we do next? RAM is the easiest one, so I guess we could just get that done. Let's just do the RAM real quick. Let's just do the RAM next. That's fine. Okay. Let's just do the RAM next. So we got the RAM right here. Nah, I mean, we got the 32 gigabyte Corsair Vengeance RGB. Now we had to get the little flashy lights. DDR5. So let's... I kind of want to take a shot, low key. I'm going to take a shot real quick, chat. And motherfucker. I guess so. I guess so. God damn. Okay. Back to the business. Back to the business. Okay, where'd the round go? Okay. Alright, so we got this right here. Bang. It's not my first PC, Blunts. It's not my first one. It's like my third one, to be honest. Hellshot, facts. Okay, so we got this. Retard for real? Go fuck yourself, bro. Alright, so we have this. Now I'm gonna be B. We want A and B. Grapefruit Jarritos hits with tequila. I gotta try that. Okay, so I definitely just, yeah. This is very self. I remember this shit too. Is it this way or this way? Oh no, it's definitely this way. Wait. Why are you so nervous? Because the last time I did this shit was fucking 5 years ago, bro. So I'm still a little bit nervous. I just don't want to fuck anything up. Okay, I just gotta push in on this one, right? I just gotta push in on this one, right? Until it clicks or something. This is correct. All right, perfect. All right, that's in there. Bada boom. Is that a pre-built? Nah, fuck a pre-built, bro. I'm pretty sure pre-builts, they just like charge you extra, bro. I'm pretty sure pre-builts charge you extra like that. Pushing to make sure it's lined up right. Yeah. Okay, bang. Okay, so the RAM is done. The easiest part is finished. We might have to, okay, whoa. So now what? A2. What's good, Mudwalk? Your bitch ass nigga, what's good? What's good? All right, so what's next, chat? Video card? I'm thinking video card. GG, why? Why are you saying GG's, bro? Don't scare me like that, bro. Why are you niggas saying GG now, bro? Check if you're using channel A or B. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm using both A1 and A2. I just checked. There's A1, A2, B1, B2. I'm using A1 and A2. I remember that from last time too, so. Do the GPU last? Alright, so GPU will be last then. So, but what's next? So we have the SSD. We have this. We have hold on. 20 push-ups. All right, bet. Got you. Hold on. God damn it. Wait, so what should we do next after this one though? What should we do next after this one? 644. Oh. GPU screws into the case. Okay, so GPU gotta be last. GPU gotta be last then. Build case and fans. Alright, let's do these 20 push-ups real quick. Because this retard Mudwalk wanted to redeem this shit. Hello? Are we good? Build case and put the power supply in, but yo, are we good? Oh, we should be good. Alright. All right. Keeps lagging, stream buffers. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I'm gonna just get on Wi-Fi then. I just wanted to stay off Wi-Fi because I'm gonna stay off Wi-Fi. Okay, are we good? Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? Because I'm not using my server, bro. I have to get off my server because I'm gonna unplug my computer and shit. So it's lagging a lot. Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? Can y'all hear me? Are we good? I already did the push-ups, buddy. Yeah, it's because I'm not on my server, bro. I'm not on the Wi-Fi either, so. All right, so case and power supply, right? This shit's fat. Oh my god. What the fuck is this, bro? Oh, accessory box. Yo, Tweety, thank you for the fucking sub. W2 months. W2 months. W2 months. W2 months. Thank you, Tweety. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. W sub. W sub. W sub. I low-key want to do a fire sale while I'm doing this for some reason.
Get a small piece of meat to cook on it when it's done.
The quote-unquote accessory box for the case. Just want to make sure we... Okay. Okay, so all these screws are definitely necessary. Zip ties. What is this? So power supply, right? We set the power supply in here. So the last thing we have to do with the motherboard is just the AIO and the video card. And all of that should be done in the case, right? So in that case, no pun intended, we should do the power supply next, I guess. Oh, I don't even open this shit, bro. Okay, this guy has to lay down, actually. You're welcome, thank you. Fire cell, so you and both the PC get cooked. What's up, Pushing? How you doing, Pushing? Okay. So power supply. I'm gonna do the power supply then, right? Let's see. Where's the where is the power supply? I'll tell you here. Lagging so much. Yo, why are we lagging so much though? Why are we lagging so much? Yo, are we good now? Like, holy fuck. Yo, are we good? Are we good? Are we good? Let me know if we're good so I can continue. Why can't you connect to Wi-Fi? Okay, I'm on Wi-Fi now, bro, but it's still weird, bro. I don't get it. It's still weird. I'm on Wi-Fi though. Are we good though? Are we lagging still or no? Are we good? We good?
How much for the Opal PC?
The whole PC was like 2K, a little bit more than 2K. Like I was delayed though. See, now I want to restart the stream, bro. Holy fuck, dude. These are all the cables. This is, oh my god. This is the actual supply itself. It's a little loud, but we can work it. We should be good now, bro. We should be good now. We should be good now. I just feel like there's just like a little bit of a delay now for sure. Let me check real quick.